Some of the biggest names in oil exploration and oil field services are seeing higher profits these days, and that's thanks to strong performances outside the U.S. energy boom. Morgan Brennan has more on what's energizing profits.
Don't credit the energy boom sweeping the U.S. for helping out Schlumberger, Halliburton, and Baker Hughes. Instead, look overseas. Analysts say they've been expanding their international operations in search of bigger profits.
That's where a lot of the growth is, at least historically. You've seen strong growth not only from a demand perspective in emerging markets, but that's also where a lot of the resource is. So again, it's just a case of follow the oil, follow the money, follow the growth.
Markets like the Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific, and Eastern Europe have fueled strong revenue growth for the biggest oil field servicers. Case in point, Baker Hughes, the world's third largest servicer, saw a 27% increase in revenue growth from its operations in the Middle East and Asia Pacific. The other big growth areas, Europe, Africa, and Russia. Schlumberger saw revenue increase 18% from its Middle East and Asia operations as well, and Halliburton up 13% in the same regions. All of that compared to low single-digit growth in North America. So why is the international market so strong? Less competition and milder regulations mean more offshore drilling, and offshore drilling means bigger profit margins.
If you look at international capital spending, it's about 70-75% of capital spending. A lot of the oil service companies, their revenue is 50-45% North America. So it's really a reflection of the investment they've made in recent years to catch up with that mismatch.
It's not as if the companies are abandoning the energy boom in places like Texas and North Dakota. Far from it. The service companies all peg those regions as key to their growth going forward. But analysts say that in the rush to cash in on North America's energy revolution, the stocks positioned to benefit overseas shouldn't be overlooked. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan.